This is where ideas take shape, where innovation is not simply imagined, but engineered, tested, and brought to life. Welcome to the headquarters of Nokta Detectors in Istanbul, the heart of advanced metal detection technologies. From the first concept to the final product, every step begins with one clear vision: to build detectors that deliver superior performance and trusted quality. Because real innovation is never accidental. At Nokta, it is built with intention. Inside these walls, engineering, design, and development work side by side. Recognized as an official R&D center, we don't just manufacture, we foster a culture of precision and continuous improvement, transforming expertise into practical solutions for the field. Here, advanced electronics manufacturing meets skilled hands and sharp attention to detail. Every component and every process is part of a bigger promise: to create products that you can rely on, no matter where your adventure takes you. Quality is not added at the end, it is built into every stage. Backed by ISO 9001 certification, our production reflects the standards that define the Nokta name: innovation, consistency, and unmatched confidence. Behind every product stands a team of more than 200 people driven by passion and discipline. This is more than a production facility. It is where a global vision becomes reality. Today, Nokta's cutting-edge technology reaches users in more than 100 countries across 6 continents. From professionals to hobbyists, the world chooses Nokta for one reason: technology that performs where it matters most, in the real world. Nokta Detectors, advanced technology, high-quality production, built in Istanbul, trusted around the world.